Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can find the panda filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending. Here slide right until you find selfies. Tap there. Okay, now slide up. And remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. And you got the mask. Now just move your head to get the effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok, and if you are not finding the filter here, then you can go to discover, and here you can search for panda filter, and here you will see the video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want, and at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. So in the next video.